Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Is it possible to make 10,000 using this price action strategy? In this video, I'm gonna show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate, whether you are a beginner or experienced trader. Okay, I'm taking this for 2 trades here, guys, and I'm gonna mark it to show you why. Alright. If you notice very well, the price came and closed right on our support area, alright, on our resistance area I should say, and now we had a 3 bar going down. And guys, I always talk about 3 bars because I don't know if some people get it confused. When I say 3 bar, it's different from momentum. Okay, 3 bars consist of actually 2 candles. But the reason why they call it 3 bar, it's because this green candle and these 2 red candles, they are count together, so we call them 3. I don't know, but that's the name of it, and that's why I'm telling you guys it this way. Now, this 3 candle here in a row, this is 3 momentum. You see, this is 3 candles, this is a momentum, but this is a 3 bar down. I know the name might just sound crazy, but that's the name of it. I just wanted to clarify that. Alright, so I'm taking this also for 2 trades. I'm going to explain it right now. The reason why I took this right here, guys, you can see this is a support area, and we have a evening star right here, and the evening star has the doji in it, so it's a perfect evening star, and we are coming from the support area. So this signals to me that buyers are in the market now, because remember guys, dojis are a sign of reversal, right? And you notice the doji closed right on my level, perfect. And we have first touch, second touch. We created a proper I compared to the previous one, and we closed right on the level, and we formed a evening star, and we took this opportunity. Now I'm waiting for this trade to close. As you guys can see, we might win this trade because it's very close, but let's see what's gonna happen here. Beautiful, guys. That one was very nerve-wracking. Let's find another opportunity. Oh my god, like, phew. My entry is not good. This is terrible. You see how far I have entered, guys. This is not good, and I'm not going to put any more trades on. If I lose this, that's my fault. Okay, because I was supposed to enter at the beginning of the candle, but as you guys see, the market is very much volatile. It's basically behaving like a OTC, as you can see right here. I hope I don't lose this trade, but this candle was a continuation sign, so it's a high chance based on candlestick psychology that this trade will be a winning trade. No, I'm confident because of this candle. I know this one will close in my direction. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen here. The market is very volatile, guys. Very volatile today. Alright, nice. We'll mark this up real quick. We're at the resistance area. Okay, the price didn't break the resistance. It came close, but it didn't break it. Let me mark it for you real quick. Alright, it comes right inside it close. It gives us a hammer candle, and the hammer candle grab all the liquidity from all the way here. Okay, and if you notice right here, we have a drop-based drop going all the way down, so we can see that the market is in a downtrend. So we are very good in terms of going with the trend. Let me see right here, this is a doji. This is not very good, but as you see, this candle created a lower low compared to previous low, so it's a high chance this candle will close red and give me a winning trade. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Okay, it was a draw, guys. Damn. So this, guys, I'm taking this opportunity right here. The reason why I took this, let me mark it real quick. Let me use 2. Guys, the reason why I use 2 lines, it's because I want you to see very clearly what is the boundary and what is the main line. See what I'm saying? When I draw the line right here, if this is the main line right here, and then the boundary is the two top lines right here. So we go for the first touch, second touch, then wait for price to come to that area. When it comes to it, we wait for it to reject from it, and then we enter our trade immediately after that. Okay, now you could have waited right here, but you know delays can make you lose winning trades, so your entry needs to be very, very sharp. Okay, nice. If you guys pay attention here, we are at this support area. The price came down, close on it very perfectly. Then we have this continuation candle, right, and this gap up. Now the gap is trying to fill basically, but this is one of the breakaway gaps, so eventually the price will pass my entry and go in my direction. See what I'm saying? Because it's a breakaway gap. The thing is, sometimes with breakaway gaps, it will try to like fill, then it just shoot in one direction very quickly. See what I'm saying? That's what breakaway gap is. It's very good, guys. And when I talk about gaps, guys, you have many types of gaps, and we do not trade all gaps the same. Okay, each gaps have their own accuracy. Right, nice. Okay, let me start to mark this to show you. We're coming from this support area right here. You know what I'm saying? Plus we have a rally base rally going higher. I don't know where this red candle came from. Let me see. We're at a supply area. I see. But this supply is not really strong though. So I'm hoping that the price show me that I'm correct and come in my direction very nicely. Usually when you see such a big candle, we can expect another big candle. At times, not all the time, sometimes. Just to be very clear, sometimes, not all the time. Okay? But it's a very high chance. I already know this support area is strong. And this, what happened? Draw? Come on, man. That trade was nice. So I got a discount entry right here, guys. If you pay attention very closely, let me see. We are in the direction of the trend. As you see, the rally base rally is going all the way up. We haven't found any drop base drop or anything like that, so that means we are very much in that direction of the trend. This trade is looking very promising because based on candlestick psychology, I can see that the level is very strong. And now we saw a doji form right here, which is not very, very good, but it formed. Let me see some. Okay, I see how it forms. Yes, so this is going to be a short shot trade for sure because of how the doji has been formed, and we have a discount entry, which is very nice. But see, without the discount entry, we will still win the trade. See that, guys? Beautiful. This is what I'm talking about, accuracy. So this is the end of my session, guys. If you're interested in the mentorship, you can click the link in the description to apply for mentorship. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.